basket weave marble mosaic tile border with multiple elements. See how it's done.
Okay, so this is just a quick little video of the major steps involved in installing this border, which consists of a pencil liner, a basket weave mosaic tile element, and then chair rail on top of everything. The border ran throughout this bathroom, all the way around through the tub, and all the tile was polished, and it's all real marble. So the tricky part of this bathroom was actually this return wall, because I mitered the whole wall. I took did a little bit of prep work at the beginning, so it's a little easier to go around that outside corner. So if you're going to do this, you need to prepare at least 2 or 3 days in advance so that you can install the tile the mosaic tile as a whole unit rather than individual pieces on a mesh. Okay, so I cemented the mosaic tile to a piece of curdy fabric. You don't have to use curdy, you can use any other kind of. So the important thing here is that you do it at least 2 or 3 days before you need to pick it up and use it. If you do it the day before, the thin set won't have had enough time to cure and set up, and the tiles will come off the membrane. So to be able to handle it successfully, you need to set this up beforehand, at least 2 or 3 days, so that the thin set can harden and the panel can become a little more rigid. If you pick this up the next day, the tiles just come off the membrane. So you need to prepare and set this up. If you've done it correctly, then you can pick up this mosaic and cut it and fit it as if it was a single tile rather than a million individual pieces. Much easier to work with, especially when you're going mitering and going around these outside corners. So this might seem obvious, but anytime you're cutting and fitting tile around a wall or whatever, always test fit it to make sure that you cut it properly. I know it sounds obvious, but it's just something that you should do so that you don't get cement all over the place and then you find that it's not fitting properly and you have to take it off and make adjustments. It's just easier to test fit it, make sure that it fits properly. And then once you're certain that it fits properly, go ahead and cement it in. So with the remainder of the basket weave mosaic border, I just cemented them in without installing them on the membrane first. Just make sure you place them in, make sure everything's level, and that you set them properly, and then move on from there. So the last part of this border was the chair rail. So you want to really pay close attention and take careful measurements when you're going around these corners, because you want to have a nice even line on that miter. You don't want it sticking out or uneven or open and closing. So you need to pay attention and spend a lot of time on the outside corner to get it exactly right. Make all the adjustments you need, and then be careful not to move it once you're done. So that's it for this border, and then I continue to the tub area with the large format marble tile. All the tile, as I said, is all polished, so you want to be careful not to scratch it, and make sure you seal the whole marble, all the marble, before you grout it, so you don't have any problems. So at the very end here of this video, I'm going to give you a shot of the completed bathroom before any of the cabinetry went in, but the floor and all the marble finished and grouted. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this little video.